In a small, peaceful village named Harmony Haven, there was a legend that had been passed down for generations. It was said that a magical moonstone with the power to bring harmony and happiness was hidden deep within the Enchanted Forest. But to find it, one needed not just courage but the power of teamwork and cooperation. In Harmony Haven, there lived 4 inseparable friends named Mia, Alex, Lily, and Max. They had heard the legend of the Moonstone since they were children and dreamt of finding it together. One sunny morning, the friends gathered under the grand oak tree at the edge of the village. They had made a pact to embark on the magical Moonstone quest. Each friend had a unique gift. Mia was wise, Alex was strong, Lily was resourceful, and Max was the heart and soul of the group. Their journey into the Enchanted Forest was filled with challenges. The forest was dense, and strange creatures lurked in the shadows. But they faced each obstacle as a team, using their strengths to overcome them. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they encountered a rushing river too wide to cross. Mia, with her wisdom, suggested building a bridge from fallen tree branches. Alex's strength came in handy as he lifted and placed the branches, while Lily and Max used their resourcefulness to tie them together. Through teamwork and cooperation, they built a sturdy bridge and crossed the river safely. The friends continued their journey, guided by the soft glow of the Moonstone. Along the way, they discovered that the forest was not just filled with challenges, but also wonders. They marveled at the firefly dances and the songs of the nightingales. Achieving together. Finally, they reached the heart of the forest, where a massive tree stood with a radiant moonstone resting at its base. The moonstone shimmered with an otherworldly light, casting a soothing glow over the entire clearing. But something was amiss. The moonstone was surrounded by a thorny barrier, and its light was dimming. The friends knew that they needed to work together one last time. Mia shared her wisdom about the moonstone's magic. Alex used his strength to clear a path through the thorns. Lily gathered the fallen leaves to create a soft bed for the moonstone. And Max, with his heart full of hope, whispered words of encouragement. As they worked in harmony, the thorny barrier receded and the moonstone regained its brilliance. Their faces lit up with joy as they realized they had succeeded. The moonstone's magic infused the forest with even more enchantment, making it a place of harmony and happiness for all. With the moonstone safely in their possession, the friends returned to Harmony Haven as heroes. The village celebrated their achievement, but the true reward was the lesson they had learned. They understood that together, they could achieve more than they could alone, and that the power of teamwork and cooperation was a force as magical as the moonstone itself. And so, in Harmony Haven, the legend of the magical moonstone lived on. Not just as a story of treasure, but as a reminder that when friends work together, they can achieve the most extraordinary dreams.